In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a $25,000 website with Durable AI. We'll go from a blank slate to a polished client-ready site using Durable's AI Builder. I'll keep it simple, explain why each step matters, and share tips so you can create something that looks premium without getting stuck on the details. First, head to durable.so and click Build a Website. Create an account with your email or continue with your Google account. There's no credit card required to try it, which makes this a low-risk way to get started. Next, let the AI do the heavy lifting. Enter your business type, like virtual assistant, bakery, or cleaning service. Adding your location is optional, but it helps if you serve a specific area. Then click Generate Website. In about 30 to 60 seconds, Durable will create a homepage, services, about, and contact page, complete with images and copy. The more specific you are with your business type, the better the first draft will fit your niche. Now it's time to edit. Click Edit to customize your site. Click any text to replace it with your own, or use Rewrite with AI to refine your message. Keep your headlines clear and benefit focused, and make sure your services section answers who you help, what you do, and why it's valuable. For visuals, click an image to replace it. You can upload your own brand photos or use AI-generated images. Aim for consistent style and compress large files to keep the site fast. With your content in place, customize the design. Update colors, fonts, buttons, and layout sections to match your brand. Upload your logo and set your brand style so it's applied consistently across pages. Choose high contrast colors for readability and pick one or two typefaces to keep things clean and professional. Add pages and sections as needed. Click pages to create a blog, FAQ, gallery, pricing, or a contact form. A transparent pricing section and a clear contact form can dramatically improve conversions, while an FAQ helps reduce messages and build trust. If you need integrated business tools, Durable includes a CRM for managing leads, invoices, and appointment booking. Enable only what you need to keep your workflow simple. When you're ready, click Publish. You can use a free Durable subdomain or connect a custom domain on a paid plan. Your site goes live instantly. If you connect a domain, allow a little time for DNS to update. Preview your site on a phone. It's mobile responsive by default, but tweak spacing, image crops, and button sizes so everything is easy to tap and read. Finally, visit SEO and settings, edit page titles, meta descriptions, and business info, and connect Google Analytics on a paid plan to track performance. Keep titles concise and include your primary keyword and location where relevant. That's it. Your professional